subquery, query within query. So here we want to see here, select the subquery, select employee name, where the salary is greater than, let's say, put here value 200. So this is the query that we write. Now here, instead of that, we can put here select a salary from a person where the employee number is this. So this will return an employee's salary. What is that? One more select. 2,975. So we can put there directly 2975 and can run the query. So it will be two-step. If we want to display in one shot that I want to display, and obviously you don't want to do it manually, just go and execute that, write down somewhere this number. So together you want to do it. How you can do it? So show me salary greater than the salary of this person. So you are retrieving in the inner query the salary of this person, and then if it's greater than that salary, then you will show the person's name and maybe the salary number here. You can select this way. So whole subquery is representing only one value, that is nothing but this amount. And you can imagine that way the query, how it's working. This, when subquery gets executed, this is actually becomes this. So salary is greater than this value. So that is the concept of subquery. Okay, let's see this one. We have to display first the salary of, there are two parts of the subquery. Inner query has first part, this salary of 7876 is this much, and then the job of this person, how much what is the job of it's clerk. So clerk and 1100. So this, the subquery returning clerk, this subquery returning 1100. So it becomes clerk in the subquery, and salary is greater than it remains, and then this becomes, when you whatever you execute, 1100. So that is the subquery replacement. It happens and the result comes like this. So hope you understand this concept of subquery. In this subquery, we want to show that show department number, minimum salary from department table group by department number. Okay, and then where minimum salary is greater than department 20's minimum salary. So let me rephrase the question again. Show me the department number, minimum salary from employee table group by department number, where minimum salary will be greater than this minimum salary of 20. So this is what it's coming for this group by query, and minimum salary is this 3. You are restricting that by another group salary, minimum salary, which is a group function. So what is the department 20's minimum salary? Let's do that way. 800. So this will be entire thing replaced by the bottom query becomes 800. So you identify minimum salary of department 20, 800. Now your query becomes like this. So select department number, minimum salary from group by, and then that is restricted by having minimum salary. So here greater than 800. So 800 will be gone. Another one we have on subquery, an operator we will be using. Since we are using subquery, it will be helpful. Any operator. Now any operator, so for that, what we will do, we will select this. So we have couple of values here. Now when you run that, you're saying salary is greater than any of this value. So first of all, what we will do, any of this salary means any of this. So this entire list became uh, the 4 value here. So less than means any value that is less than any of this will come here. So just try to understand the concept. So that person will come whose salary is less than any of this. Include me. So let's see the salary name. So these are the salaries. Now you are saying less than any of this. So less than any of this means means obviously the top one. The top, if it's, you can consider it this way. If anything goes less than top one, then it's less than that. So it will come. So top value less than top value. So what is the result? So let me show you again. So what it does is like top value is this, obviously. So it's less than any of this. These values are less than this top value. So that is the concept of any. Another operator, we have all operator. So you can see here this, let's see, I have put here sub query especially on separate place. That is this. So we got a couple of values here. Now we are saying select employee name, job, salary for those employees which salary is greater than all the salary that comes here. So average salaries are this for the department. So this entire thing will be replaced by this numbers, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. Now bring from this table greater than all of them. Okay, so the second part query is returning by this is the sub query. So here you can see the number 2916. So whatever number it comes, it has to be greater than the top number here. The top number is 2916. So it's greater than this, it's greater than this, it's greater than this, it's greater than this. So greater than all of this. It's coming that way. So that's about subquery. To understand any operator, the best way also you can do is like any and then put some number and can test it, and then all, you put some number and test it. So it will be easier for you to understand the concept of any and all operator.